Okay. Lo nyaka sekuwona wa-2026 unyaka wama-local government election, right? Sonke siyavumelana ngalokho. Okubalulekile ukuthi babuhlabisa umholi IFP ukhuluma nini njengoba umnyango wakho kaCoGTA uyiwona obhekelele lo hlelo lolo benomengameli wezwe. Ngifuna ukuthola nje ukuthi manicabanga sipredictela yiphi inyanga ngabe kuzoba lo nyaka towards the end of this year elections or early next year. If early next year, why? If late this year, when? Those are predictions engifisa ukwathola to comment sections ukuthi to comment section ukuthi looking at the dynamics politically in the province of Natal, when are we likely to have local government elections? And plus we know what IFP is due to is long overdue for conference yabo. When are we likely to see Bonabeawe conference to elect new leadership? And also ANC now next year as ngo December, I'm sure mele iye kwi conference ngakube ubuholi obuzongena ku ANC nobuholi obuzongena ku IFP bunayo interest kobunye ukuthi ANC ngena ba interest AFP ithini ku AFP ngena bani interest ANC ithini ngoba makwama coalition kanje ayekho ngena interest ukuthi uba nophathayo. We also know ukuthi iDA nayo soon mele ama election angaphakathi ukhetho ubuholi obusha ngakube nayo interest yawo athina ama dynamics, because you must know ukuthi once kwangena leadership ngala kwa ANC that opposes i-presence ye DA kakhulukazi kule GNU, you must know ukuthi the dynamics politically kuhulumeni will definitely change. We might see kushintsha uhulumeni kungena abanye kuphuma abanye, because obviously mangangena ngecore kaRamaphosa abantu abathema Ramaphosa kubese kwenda Ramaphosa, then we know ukuthi kuzongena about that are anti-white. Let me not say anti-white, that are anti-DA policies. So the dynamics are interesting this year. What are your thoughts with whatever sanction from local government, election of the IFP, election of the ANC, election of the DA? We want to know what are your thoughts. See you in comment section. Thank you.